Greetings folks, this is the venerable Phoenix 1600. It's a kit I bought from Hobby King. It's been around for ages. I've owned a Phoenix 2000, I've got the Phoenix 2600 Evo, but I've never owned a Phoenix 1600, and after seeing all my flying buddies down at the slope all flying a Phoenix 1600, I felt like I was missing out, so went to Hobby King, had a look. They're only 70 bucks Australian for the kit, so with a few referral points as well, that brought it down to about $50 for me, so decided I better have one. Let's open it up and have a look. Cool stickers, the lovely blown PE fuselage, really tough, pretty well unbreakable, great for slope soarers. All the Phoenix fuselages are the same. The difference between this and the original Phoenix 2000 is that it has a bigger and more rugged rudder, which is great. More surface area in the horizontal stabilizer, but it's roughly the same size. There's the canopy, ouch. All the hardware bits and pieces. There's a prop and spinner and a spare slope soaring nose cone as well. And these beautiful wings, and this might be the first model ever that is totally blemish free. Oh, I love new foam wings. Excellent. So we have good sized ailerons and provision for flaps as well. I think initially I'm just going to go with ailerons. Don't really need flaps on something this size, but we've got the plywood side-on spar there and a metal spar going all the way through here that this really sturdy joiner spar goes into. Now this is still an old design, so the wing actually sort of bolts on there with this plastic cover over the top, and that's great for sort of gentle field flying, I guess, but it's not tough enough for slope soaring. What I'm going to do, and what I did originally with my Phoenix 2000, was to join the two wings together and put in some rubber band posts and actually rubber band it on, so it's a lot more forgiving for rough and tumble slope soaring. Weight won't be a problem. In fact, I'm going to weight it up to be a speedster. Very excited about this. A nice, cheap and really rugged slope soarer. Okay, here's the Phoenix 1600 all finished and ready to go. I don't have the motor on it, I just have the spare nose cone screwed on there. I put a little disc of plywood to screw it into. I took out the plywood battery tray there because they just get in the way. I think I'll just put some Velcro down on the bottom there. Got an X8R receiver, which is overkill, but that's the only one I had left, and a little 3 amp BEC. That all just goes down the back there. Really don't have to worry about range with this because it's all line of sight flying. I have this sort of battery holder piece of foam that just sits there like that on the Velcro. To balance it, I need a 3003S, and that sounds outrageous, but this isn't a super lightweight glider. This is a rough and ready slope soarer, and to be honest, these Phoenixes perform beautifully in light wind anyway, even if they are reasonably heavy. That puts the weight to about 1 kilo, just over 1 kilo. Rubber band held down wings, and those wing posts are they're about, what are they, 5mm carbon fibre tubes, just shoved into holes. It's not even glued in, that just sits there by friction. Tape on the leading edge, that's the heaviest duty packing tape I could find. A little bit of ID card plastic reinforcing over the back so that those rubber bands don't chew into the wings. The wings are glued together. I haven't got flaps in, don't need them at this stage. I may, just for fun, put them in later on. Banggood MG90 servos all around. They're good enough, they're tough enough for slope sawing. Not really enough wind, I don't think. I may have to go chasing it. Oh well, we'll see. Oh, that looks alright. No problems at all. It's very light wind. Oh, that's hands off. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Yes, this is what it's all about. I've got a 3000 3S battery in the nose to balance it at about 65-70 millimeters. Very light wind, but that is cruising beautifully. Really on the minimum speed, I'm sure. Losing a bit of lift out there. Come on, make it back. It is really light wind. No motor, pure sloper. More lift up there. All up weight is about 1 kilo. Full throws, I have 60% expo on the ailerons and elevator, and that feels rather nice. So much expo because I want it to be aerobatic in more wind. Won't be at the moment. Oh, look at that, that's nice and quick. Nice rudder turn there. Look at the way that thing turns, beautiful. Really responds to rudder. That's a nice big authoritative rudder. Gorgeous. I'm going to have to paint it up, give it a bit of colour. See how we go landing it. I may need to put some flaperons or something on it. It's a pretty good spot here. It's just going to go straight past me again. Alright, I'll try from the other direction. Got some nice soft bushes we can land it on over there. This is beautiful. No, going again. Okay, I need to put some spoilerons or flaperons in. I can just put it back over the dunes there and it'll behave like that. Beautiful. Alright, I have flaperons and spoilerons dialed in now. I'll just see how they go. It's on the throttle stick. See how they go. This is flaps, that's nice. That just slows down nicely. Bit of rain coming, that's a pain. Might go back to the car. Doesn't want to come down. Now it will, the lift is running out. That'll do me. Very nice. Get out of the rain.